Well, to talk about the Harbor Freight Drill Master cordless drill, 18 volt 3/8 drill, actually has a serial number which is odd, 62868. Comes with the drill itself, one battery, one 2-piece charger. So you take the battery charger, you hook it up to power. This comes off, press the button, the drill comes off of the base. It will not stand up without the battery. I consider that a flaw. I would rather it stood up, but I'm not hung up on that. So this is the battery. You slip the charger onto the battery. Red while it's charging, green when it's done. Pretty basic. Nothing new, nothing outrageous about this. Very simple design, very cheap design. Exactly what I was looking for. Doing woodworking, I want to have at least 3 drills. One for a bit driver, one for a countersink, and one for drill bits. So met my requirements, and I wanted cheap drills. I didn't want to go buy $100 drills. So I bought 2 of these for $15.99. When I bought them, they asked me did I want to buy the $5.99 1-year replacement plan. No way am I going to do that. For $15.99, these drills are disposable. If I use them a year, then the battery dies or they break, I'm perfectly okay with that. For $15.99, that's all I expect. I use them mostly on the weekends, and I usually have to charge them about every 2 weeks. So to me, that's perfectly fine. I have 2 of them. I swap out the batteries, try to keep them charged. If you have tools like this with batteries, keep the batteries charged. If they go dead, and they stay dead for an extended period of time, it will absolutely ruin the batteries. So if you don't use them, put the batteries on the charge. It's safer to leave them on the charge than to let them die completely. So press the button, pull the battery off. They have the same drill that comes with a flashlight, but not a second battery, for $19.99. So you're paying somewhere between $3 and $5 for that flashlight. If it came with a second battery, that would be well worth the price, but only with a single battery, I don't need another flashlight for $5. So I bought 2 of these as is. I've had them for about 6 months. Love them. They do exactly what they're supposed to do. They have some drawbacks. They don't have a full 1/2-inch chuck. It only has a 3/8 chuck. And that's perfectly fine. It has a 2-piece chuck. So I've got to hold the back end while I tighten the front end. I don't see that as a big problem. My $250 Porter cable has a one-handed chuck. I can set it and take it off with one hand. That's nice. I don't need 3 $250 drills. 2 of them can be $15.99 drills. So, and it has the adjustable torque. I typically set them, for what I'm doing, I'm using them as cordless drills. I set it to the highest setting and leave it there. If I was using them as nut drivers, I would probably set that down some. They keep you from stripping out your threads. Has the standard push for backwards and forwards. And it is variable speed. You can use it as a nut driver. I didn't get that in straight. So it has a light. I never thought I'd use this light or need that light, but once you have it, it's kind of nice sometimes to, if you're in a dark place, if you're working underneath a table or something, that actually comes in handy. So this is basically what it comes with. Battery, body, 2-piece chuck, 2-piece charger. Works perfect. Wouldn't have any issues recommending that you buy this. When you buy it, you've got to realize it's not a $250 cordless drill or driver. It's a $15.99 driver. The battery's going to go dead more often. It's not going to last forever. If you know that going into it, and that is your expectation, it will be a perfect drill for you. But I would have no reservations recommending this for light duty use. Well worth the price. Thanks for watching.